Okay, I'm trying to find something that would signify action on the coke ovens. And the most spectacular thing that you can see is this huge cloud of steam that rises many feet up above the quenching tower. And so I'm going to be using this piece of styrofoam. Actually, it's not styrofoam, it's foam that you use to put a flower display in. And I'm going to trim that, and then I'm going to be gluing this together and putting cotton balls on there. So we'll see how it looks. I put a wire up there. I'm going to glue this in here, and that's going to go all the way straight down to get some reinforcing there. Okay, now I got the glue there, and I got that wire all the way down through there. So now I'm going to attempt to glue some cotton balls on here. Okay, there you see the cotton balls along here. We'll just see how this looks. Okay, here's the completed coke works and byproduct plant. So I'm just going to move this up a little bit and do this as if you're looking down from an airplane. And let's go up a few hundred feet more. Whoops, I got a chandelier I got to go underneath. And we're going to descend. This here is my steam cloud when they're quenching the coke, putting the fire out. I will keep right on gluing more cotton balls on there so that it won't be symmetrical. It's sort of square, but I'll be working on it. They say okay, they tell me that downwind from the quenching tower that it actually rains. All this moisture comes up and it gets in contact with the cooler atmosphere, and then it condenses and it rains. At least that's what they tell me from my research. A little bit of interesting things for your Trivial Pursuit game. And now we're going to go down through here. So if you kind of think that steam that high coming out of there is unrealistic, next time you quench your campfire at the state park, why don't you see how high the steam rises in proportion to where the campfire was. So I'll just keep adding cotton balls, and when I get the way I want it to happen, I'm going to just go down and buy me some White Rain hairspray and just spray it. And then that'll, actually I don't think it turned out that bad. Okay, we're going to take another airplane ride over here because I forgot to put the wastewater clarifier. That's right there. That takes the bad wastewater from the quenching operation and purifies it. And then it's reused again. So we're going to descend a little bit again. And this would be probably what you would see if you were an employee here. And there's the wastewater clarifier. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some clear something in there, clear plastic or resin, to make it look like there's something in there. But just pretend there's something in there. It won't be that clear. And then there's the Coke pusher. And there's the Coke that's about ready to be quenched. And eventually on the back here I will have a conveyor that goes over to the coal yard.